pagod galing sa rehearsals. Tapos, to be honest din, wala din kasi masyadong time for rehearsals, and we had a lot of songs to memorize, a lot of songs to practice. And during the rehearsals, ako personally, hindi ko talaga makuha yung songs. Minsan nalilito ako. And I didn't know why, kasi I'm okay naman sa music. Pero, yeah, I think it was more internal kasi yun na, anxiety din ako, inside out too. Anxiety, fear. But when I got on stage, tapos narinig ko yung mga kaway nila, yung mga sigaw nila, I was like, okay, this is good. We're gonna be okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tsaka bukod sa sigaw, di ba may mga dala pa sila mga
Yes.
banners,
Yes,
may
it
mga
was so
props
cute.
May
sila.
papalos pa
Sobra.
sila ng finale, mga
Yung light, ano tawag dun sa light? Light sticks? Light sticks, yes.
Yeah, the cardboard cutouts, lahat complete yung kanilang mga props. Ang galing.
Parang just like you guys, perfectionist din yung mga fans nyo, no?
You know, sobra.
Yeah, actually.
Grabe rin pala, you think, I was so surprised to hear how much planning it took them. Of course, the money, it's expensive, but the planning, talaga nagmi-meeting din sila and all.
Yes.
Akala ko pupunta lang sila and gano'n na lang. But grabe talaga, kaya gusto talaga namin na ibigay yung deserve nila na show.
Oh.
Super organized din sila. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you po.
Alice. Okay, now let's go to Jeff Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hello, Privilege.
Hello.
Congratulations sa sold out
Thank
concert.
you.
Thank you so much.
Isa sa mga kinanta ni Alexa during the concert is yung unreleased song. May additional details na when siya ilalabas.
Ito na.
Heto na. Actually, we're about to film the music video pa lang po. Kasi gusto ko, yung, di ba sa international stars, when they release a single, it's accompanied by the music video. So that's what I'm trying to go for with this. Para no wasted time.
Oo.
Parang kung magkaroon ng hype, I pray meron, tuloy-tuloy. So yun po, I guess, kakamitin lang namin kanina. Actually, kanina lang. So hopefully really soon, but I will announce kapag meron akong date. Thank you.
Nakakayak siguro yung music video na yan.
Ay, gusto mong durugin kayong lahat.
Oh my God.
Dun sa unreleased songs, since perform mo na dun sa concert, baka pwede natin sabihin sa mga hindi nakapanood yung title.
Oh yeah, oo naman. Yung song po na yon, it's entitled Kung Naging Tayo. So title pa lang, masyakit na.
Masyakit.
Isa sa mga pilihan din sa concert, yung eksena na parang pag yung nag-propose kay
Ah, yeah,
after
that's
nung
ano.
Disney ano yung reaction mo? Impromptu ba yun?
Hindi po. Actually, galing po kasi yun sa song na Love is an Open Door sa Frozen. So, yun talaga yung lines niya na, Will you marry me? Galing yung sagot ko. Yun yung impromptu kasi dapat ang sagot ay yes. Pero parang baka pag sinagot ko yun, maniwala sila.
Oo nga.
So, sabi ko na lang, sige, ask me na lang again in a couple
Couple
of years.
Baka ma-headline ka sa TV pa
Ayan
tol, no?
naman eh. Baka mga fake news tayo
Yung
eh.
na nag-propose kaya rin sa
Gusto na naman sing-sing.
Oo.
For KD, nung premiere nung fruitcake kasi parang super fan si Yen after yung premiere dun sa performance mo sa movie. Tuwang-tuwa siya dun sa comedy performance mo dun sa ano.
Nakanood na po ba kayo?
Ano na sa premiere?
Nakanood ka? Oo, yun na sa premiere.
Yeah, ayun at the back of the cinema, ini-interview ako ng some media, some influencer friends. Then si Ate Yeng lumapit, sabi niya, KD, nakakatawa ang galing mo. Ay,
Alam mo, umiiyak siya.
Umiiyak?
Umiiyak siya. May paglingon niya kasi siya nasa harap ko. Diba, nag-credits, tapos palakpak siya, tapos umiiyak talaga siya.
Oh, that's really nice. But, baka hindi dahil sa akin.
Sa inyo lahat naman yun, sa movie.
Sa lahat siguro.
Natawa siya sa'yo.
Natawa siya sa akin. And I'm happy to give that in the movie. I'm happy to be the comic relief. Ako, sinabi ko talaga na okay lang sa akin na sa movie na to hindi ako gwapo. Hindi kasi hindi naman yan yung required sa akin. Hindi ito heartthrob na role. This is batang-bata yung role ko dito. And I needed to give that. And I'm so proud na may mga celebrity friends, they told me na, KD, you're so funny, man, bro. You're so good. Ang galing mo. Natawa ako sa'yo. And that's all I wanted in this movie. That's my goal. Thank you.
Thank
po.
you. Balikan ko lang ito sa proposal. Actually, ginawa niyo rin yun sa rehearsal. Ano kasi nung rehearsal?
talaga?
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Ano na nung rehearsal?
Yeah.
Yes. So, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung mga behind the scenes ng rehearsals nila. Nasa YouTube membership po yan. Na
Oh, yeah.
ABS-CBN Entertainment. Yes, if you're a super kapamilya, for only 49 pesos per month. Mapapanood niyo po yung mga iba-ibang behind the scenes sa mga ABS-CBN content. Isa na po doon ay yung Add to Heart concert ng KD Lex. Kung saan doon yung makikita yung unang proposal sa Love is an Open Door. Yes. Segue yun. Okay, now, let's go to Miss Ana Cerezo from TV Patrol.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, going back na dun sa kung naging tayo, tama ba? Parang nung concert mo, Lexa, nagbigyan mo kami ng konting background. Pero para din sa mga wala doon, baka pwedeng i-share mo ulit tungkol saan to, yung story, yung mga nabanggit mo rin ng concert.
Basically po, the song it revolves around regret. Based pa lang sa title, kung naging tayo, iniisip niya what could have been. So it plays around that question, what could have been. And di ba tayo minsan, hindi natin inaamin kung ano nararamdaman natin for whatever reason, takot, ayaw mapahiya, ayaw ma-reject, fear, basically. So yun po talaga yung meaning ng song, and ang gusto ko naman pong i-portray sa music video is the consequences of not speaking up, of not being honest about how you feel. Yun po. So basically, it's just a song about regret. Para sa mga totga.
Yeah,
Mga totga, diba?
So, Alexa, being a Swiftie, di ba minsan si Taylor yung mga Easter eggs, tas talagang pag-storytelling, ganun din ba yung peg mo sa yung maging music video? Konting teaser
Sadly, I'm not as smart as her. I'm not as creative as her. I wish I had her brain. I don't know how she's able to think the way she does. One of a kind talaga po si Taylor Swift. I don't know any artist who does it like her. She's insane in a great way. So, ako naman, I'll do the best I can. But, ayun nga, hindi ako talaga katulad kay Taylor Swift. So, baka wala ng Easter eggs, baka straight to the point na lang ako. Ibibigay ko na agad.
Pero din siya, syempre papakita mo pa rin na you're a great storyteller, no?
Yes, of
So,
course.
may ganun pa rin siyang aspect na.
Of
hindi lang
course.
siya as a singer, artist, actress, gano'n.
Yes. I would say, na-realize ko din po recently that I'm a bit creative pala. Because I never thought I was until I realized sobra akong mag-conceptualize lahat ng
Yeah.
shoots namin, lahat ng ina-attenda namin events, iniisip ko kung ano yung peg namin. Ako lahat nagpa-plan talaga. So biglang realize ko na, parang creative naman pala ako in a way.
Sabi sa'yo, pwede ka mag-director.
Hindi naman. Ano, creative lang.
Someday.
So, ayun po, yung for the music video, nag-meeting kami kanina and I really told them I really want it to be devastating. Ito, yeah. I want people to relate and cry. That's the goal.
What a
So, what a goal, diba? Ang KJ, no, gusto magpaiyak. Pero yun po, so I really have a vision and hopefully, maitupad naman ang vision na yun. So I'm so excited to hurt people.
Looking forward. How about you naman, Kate?